Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. Our student's name?
Hi, this is Mohamed Fazil from OME 224. Today I am going to teach you about the auscultation point of the heart. There are 5 auscultation points of the heart, and heart has 4 valves, which is mitral, pulmonary, aortic, then tricuspid valve. Let's see.
But we have 5 points, yeah?
But we have 5 points.
Okay, first point's name?
First point's name is mitral valve. In this point, there is more disease occurs in this point only, mitral valve. So we are going to first of all see that mitral points auscultation,
Listen.
which is we want to first find out the right place in this first rib. This is
Clavicular.
clavicular. We want to take the mid clavicular line, which intersects the fifth intervertebral intercostal space.
Inside how much centimeter?
1.5 centimeter from the inside.
Listening. Check your fundoscope. You listening?
Yeah.
Next
We
point.
can listen this. Then we are going to listen the aortic valves auscultation, which is we want to see this subclavicular middle line. From that, we want to go to the second vertebral intervertebral space.
Intercostal space.
Intercostal space. From that towards the sternum, you want to move 1 inch.
Okay. Inhale, exhale, don't breathe.
Inhale, exhale. Yeah, the auscultation is good.
Next point.
Next point, we want to see that tricuspid valve, which is at the xiphoid process of the sternum.
Next point after aortic. Which
aortic,
point?
Pulmonary,
List.
which is right opposite of this aortic valve.
Left side of the
Left side
sternum.
of the
Second
sternum.
intercostal space. Listening. Next point.
Auscultation is right. Then we want to see the tricuspid valve, which is in the xiphoid process of the sternum.
Okay, listening.
If you can't listen the sound properly, you can tell the patients to slightly
Tighter.
down towards ground.
Okay.
Inhale, exhale.
You can listen this 2 times because it's deep. 1 and this also.
Okay.
Next point.
Circulation is fine. Then next point is that Botman Earth's point, which is in the third. We want to begin from the mid clavicular line, from the first, second, third intercostal space towards the sternum. You want to
Okay.
point there.
Okay, good job.
Yeah, the auscultation is fine. This patient is good in condition.